task is to address fluorescent lamp starting problems in a circuit lacking an equipment ground. It is important to note that the solutions provided are temporary and should not replace a proper grounding system, which is vital for electrical safety. A qualified electrician should install a permanent equipment ground as soon as possible. Here are a few temporary solutions. Firstly, consider using a low-voltage relay. A low-voltage relay, such as a 120 volts coil relay, can be connected to the neutral and hot wires. When the relay is energized, it closes the circuit, providing a path that helps the lamps start. The relay coil can be activated by a switch or a motion sensor, offering flexibility in how the lamps are turned on and off. Secondly, you can try using a capacitor across the lamp. Connecting a capacitor, for example a 0.33 microfarads 600 volts capacitor, across one of the lamps can create a slight voltage difference between the lamp and ground, which can facilitate starting. It is important to use a capacitor rated for the specific voltage and current requirements of the lamp to ensure safe and effective operation. Thirdly, a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, can be installed. Implementing a GFCI outlet or plug into the circuit will help detect any ground faults. If a ground fault is detected, the GFCI will trip the circuit, which prevents the lamps from turning on until the fault is resolved. This is a safety measure that helps reduce the risk of electrical shock. Fourthly, consider a transient voltage suppressor or TVS. Installing a TVS, for example a 130 volts, 600 volts TVS, across the ballast terminals can help suppress voltage spikes that might interfere with the lamp starting process. The TVS helps protect the ballast and lamps from potentially damaging voltage fluctuations. It is important to reiterate that these solutions offer only temporary relief and do not provide the same level of protection as a correctly installed equipment ground. These methods should only be used until a qualified electrician can inspect the circuit and install a permanent grounding system. This ensures the electrical system meets safety standards and operates reliably. Remember that addressing the absence of an equipment ground is crucial for maintaining electrical safety and preventing potential hazards.